Question 1. Y equals natural log of 4x times sin x. Y prime equals natural log of 4x times sin x prime. First of all, we will use the derivative of natural log 1 over x times sin x, then times x times sin x prime equals 1 over x times sin x. We will use the product rule. X prime times sin x plus x times sin x prime equals 1 over x times sin x times x prime is 1. 1 times sin x is sin x plus x times cosine x. So organize sin x plus x times cosine x over x times sin x. For question 2, we will use the product rule first. E to the power of x minus 1 prime times square root of 2x minus 9 plus e to the power of x minus 1 times square root of 2x minus 9 prime equals, so we got e to the power of x minus 1 times x minus 1 prime times square root of 2x minus 9 plus e to the power of x minus 1. We know square root of u prime equals u to the 1/2 power prime equals 1/2 u to the power of 1/2 minus 1 times u prime. So we get 1 over 2 square root of u times u prime. We will use this formula to work out square root 2x minus 9 prime. So times 1 over 2 square root 2x minus 9, then times 2x minus 9 prime is 2. So we can reduce, simplify, equals, this is 1, e to the power of x minus 1 times square root 2x minus 9 plus e to the power of x minus 1 times 1 over square root 2x minus 9. For question 3, we will use the quotient rule. Here is the formula for quotient rule. V squared u prime v minus u v prime. So we get 3 minus x squared, then squared. Numerator 2x minus x squared prime times 3 minus x squared minus 2x minus x squared times 3 minus x squared, then prime. Denominator 3 minus x to the 4th power. Work out this prime, which is 2 minus 2x times 3 minus x squared minus 2x minus x squared. Work this out. 3 minus x squared prime. Use the power rule. 2 times 3 minus x times 3 minus x prime. 2 times 3 minus x times negative 1 equals negative 2 times 3 minus x. So times negative 2 times 3 minus x. Before we move on, we need to reduce. Equals denominator 3 minus x to the third power. Numerator 3 minus x left. Then do the FOIL. 6 minus 2x minus 6x plus 2x squared. Minus. Whenever you see minus, you need to put a parenthesis or bracket. This negative 2. We will do the distributive property. We got negative 4x plus 2x squared. Then distributive property again. We got 4x minus 2x squared. Combine like terms. Negative 2x squared, positive 2x squared. 6 minus 4x all over 3 minus x to the third power. Look at the question 4. 5 minus x squared. X times e to the power of 2x minus 1 prime times 5 minus x minus x times e to the power of 2x minus 1 times 5 minus x prime equals denominator 5 minus x squared. X times e to the power of 2x minus 1 prime. We will use the product rule. Equals x prime times e to the power of 2x minus 1 plus x times e to the power of 2x minus 1 prime equals x prime is 1, so we got e to the power of 2x minus 1 plus x times e to the power of 2x minus 1. Do not forget chain rule. 2x minus 1 prime equals e to the power of 2x minus 1 plus 2x minus 1 prime is 2, so 2x times e to the power of 2x minus 1. We will take e to the power of 2x minus 1 out. The reason why I do the factoring here is that we can get e to the power of 2x minus 1 as a common factor later on. So we got e to the power of 2x minus 1 times 1 plus 2x times 5 minus x. 5 minus 1 prime is a negative 1. Negative is a positive, so plus x times e to the power of 2x minus 1. Common factor is e to the power of 2x minus 1. We will do the FOIL here. 5 minus x plus 10x minus 2x squared plus x all over 5 minus x squared equals e to the power of 2x minus 1. Combine like terms. Negative 2x squared plus 10x plus 5 all over 5 minus x squared This is the final answer. Practice 2. Let z equals y to the third power and y equals natural log of x squared. Find dz dx in terms of x. First of all, we will write z in terms of x. Let's do the substitution here. Z equals natural log of x squared to the third power. Then dz dx equals d dx of natural log of x squared to the third power equals, use power rule first, 3 times natural log of x squared times natural log of x squared prime equals 3 times natural log of x squared times 1 over x squared times x squared prime. We know 1 over x squared times x squared prime is 2x. Reduce 2 over x equals 3 times natural log of x squared times 2 over x. Organize x as denominator. 2 times 3 is 6 times natural log of x squared. We have another way to work out this question. We make dz dx equals dz dy times dy dx. dz dx equals dz dy times dy dx. dz dy, use the power rule, we will get 3y squared times dy dx, use the natural log of u prime equals 1 over u times u prime. So we get 1 over x squared times x squared prime equals, substitute the natural log of x squared into this y. We got 3 times natural log of x squared times 1 over x squared times 2x. Reduce 2 over x. Organize denominator x. 2 times 3 is 6 times natural log of x squared. This way is much easier than the previous one.